things. And, yoga happens in the present moment. So one of the biggest tips and yoga, for me, it's all of it, right? Meditation, yoga philosophy, yoga asana practice, postures, all of it, pranayama. Yoga happens in the present moment. So the real question is, how are you today, right? And how are you? Every practice is going to be in the present moment. So are you aware enough to do your practice, right? Whatever the practice is, in a way that it serves you today. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, not what we think it's, right or wrong, which there is no right or wrong, but or a photo that we've seen or something.